Hello guys! Today I'm gonna make the best Korean street food. That is 길거리 toast, which means the street toast. Yeah! Many of you guys asked me to show the street food recipe, so here's the one. You guys already knew that Korea is so busy country, right? So many Koreans eat this 길거리 toast for breakfast. I also had this 길거리 toast a lot when I was in high school because I went to school at 6 a.m. You guys think like, oh my god, right? That was horrible, so I don't want to talk about it. But the taste of this 길거리 toast was amazing. So I want you to feel that too. Okay, let's get started. To make this 길거리 toast, you will need sandwich bread, green onion, cabbage and carrot, 2 eggs, slice of cheddar cheese, a slice of leg ham, half teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon of butter. First of all, you need to shred some vegetables. And then green onion, but it looks more like white onion. We will need a cup of vegetables, so put them into a cup. And then the eggs. Pinch of salt and some pepper. And then whisk it. It's done. Now spread the butter on the bread, front and back. Now put them on the pan. Put half teaspoon of sugar. Put some tomato ketchup on it. After that, leg ham and then cheddar cheese on it. That's it. This 길거리 toast should be with milk. Can't wait to eat. This is amazing. It's so rich. The recipe is super simple, but the taste is not that simple. It's amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe and I'll see you next time. Bye!